doing a little bit of painting beforehand so that I can start when I start. I'm all prepared.
So we're here at the big paint weekend. It's finally happening. We are in the NOLA downtown. People are gathering. Annie Sloan is about to start the show. She's on the stage. I'm so excited. So I hope everything is good.
Hey, this is Daniel from Modern Man's Treasure, and we are here for the big paint. Enjoy!
Hi, I'm Jonathan Mark Mendes, Painted Love, and welcome to the Big Paint Weekend.
Good morning, everyone from New Orleans. We are here at the Big Paint Weekend with Annie Sloan Paint. My name is Brandy.
I get it all done and page on Instagram, which is called Annie Sloan.
Hello guys, my name is Kacha. Hello everyone, we are in NOLA. The big paint weekend is happening in this beautiful and warm state, and we are here painting with so many amazing furniture artists from all over the world. And it gathered us here. We are working, everybody got their own piece, we're painting, everybody has their own different style. There's so many people came to see us. This is so exciting. I am so happy. I'm gonna walk you through inside and show you I'm going to show you all the artists that came here, so let's go.
Hello.
Can you tell us what are you working on and show us your piece?
Okay. I am working on this cute little credenza, painted in a variety of blues and greens, blended, and gold leafing. I'm going to demonstrate gold leafing and staging once I get up there.
My favorite, gold leafing and
Yes.
gold. I love everything
Yes.
gold.
Me
So
too.
I think this is so beautiful. I love your layers. I love the gold. I can't wait to see her staging. I can't wait to see her on stage. She's going on stage in about an hour, so we're so excited to see her work.
Thank you.
Hello, Aida. Hello. So this is Aida, and this is her piece. She did some magic here for such a short amount of time. Tell us what you're working on.
So I freehand this piece. I did some koi fish, some flowers, some lilies. I'm very proud.
You should be proud. This is gorgeous, beautiful,
And it's
love it.
get in there. Let's get in there. You know, it takes a little bit more of time because there's a lot of details in it, but
Yeah,
pretty happy in it.
I love it.
What do you think?
I think it's gorgeous, and I can't wait to see with the pink jar on and everything done, and gold, my favorite gold. So I think it's gorgeous, amazing job, and what can I tell you? It's just a piece of art.
Oh, thanks.
Of course. All right, next one is Martine. She's the new painter in residence for this year for Annie Sloan. She was announced yesterday, and this is the piece she did yesterday. She's all done, painted, waxed. So what can you tell us about your piece?
J'ai utilisé 9 couleurs. I used 9 colors, okay? And cire clair et cire noire. Clear wax and black wax, okay? And distress, okay? I love colors. I'm done.
It's beautiful. I love it. I love your work. I'm so proud of you. And you did a great job.
Thank you.
So we got a little bit of French, a little bit of English here speaking. So let's go next.
Hello, Corina.
Hello. This is your piece. Let's stand here so they can see your piece. This is her beautiful piece that she did yesterday, and Corina is another painter in residence of this year. Congratulations! I am so happy for you. Are you proud?
I'm very happy. I'm so honored, and it's a great way to show my piece and get the word out about my work. It's
Yes.
amazing.
Can you tell us something about your piece?
So this is a piece, and I chose it because it was like a canvas, so flat surface, and I love to do stenciling. So that's why I thought this doesn't have any edges or curves or anything, so I chose that because of that. And then I did different layers and I blended colors, so it's not just one solid color. I wanted to achieve the look of kind of a concrete look.
Yes.
And also add some chippy paint look. That's why I had some Provence and what is it called?
It's gorgeous.
Thickened it, and so that it would be a little bit raised. So then after I did the different layers, I stenciled it with graphite.
Wow.
In between I sanded it a little bit. Then I did clear wax and diluted old white and did a wash over it.
Wow.
And then dry brushed.
So many layers,
Yes.
so many different techniques in one piece.
Yes,
And I
exactly.
think that is beautiful, and you did all that in pretty much 24 hours.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
So
yes.
I love it. Congratulations again.
you,
And
Kacha.
we
Thank
will go
you.
to the next one.
Awesome. Thank you.
Coming through, excuse me. That's okay, sorry.
And we got our Huida here with us. She just finished her performance, right? She just finished, she just did, this is her piece, gorgeous. Huida, tell us something about your piece.
This was created with all of Annie Sloan's products today, and brushes and embossing and what's the other one called? I just went blank. The Venetian plaster.
Here you go.
And
That's a new product.
yeah, that's a new product. And I took this credenza. Can you see me? I took this credenza and I hope I made it romantic. It has a marble top that goes to it. I don't know what else to say.
It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, I love it with that style. I was excited to see her on the stage and she did such a good job. And I think this is gorgeous. She did all this was bare wood. She did all this in what, 1 hour?
A little over an hour.
A little over an hour. So beautiful work, love you and love your piece.
Thank you.
Oh. You did great. You did great. Love you. Okay, so here we are with Jonathan Mendez. Hello. So, tell us what you did. Where are your boards? Show us something.
Right. Okay. So we've got two here. So I've been showcasing the lighting.
Oh, okay.
Hey. So I've been showcasing marble techniques, things like this.
Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
With scumble glaze. This is kind of some sort of animal. It's kind of tortoise-shelly, but a little bit leopard. Not the greatest one, but I'm honing the technique, so watch out for that one. So a couple
You
of things.
have your
Chorizo
YouTube channel
next.
and you
I'm
will
doing
show us.
chorizo.
Oh wow.
So that'll be on my channel soon. Chorizo is kind of chippets of paint. You'll see in a moment.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. So, are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Loads of fun. I'm with you. Why wouldn't I be having fun?
Well, thank you so much.
No, thank you for having me.
Let's go to the next one. Brandy, you want to go to your piece?
You need a microphone. No, I know, but you feel like a news reporter.
Hello, guys.
Yeah.
Hello, guys, and here we are with Brandy, Brush by Brandy. She did this beautiful piece. I can't wait to show it to you guys. She performed yesterday. I'm saying to everybody, perform like we're like
actors.
We're rappers.
Juggling and
or musicians.
yeah, or it's just circus act.
Yeah.
It's a circus.
So she did beautiful work by blending. And what can you tell us about your piece and this event?
So I really tried to take cues from my piece when I was choosing the finishes. It's got this nice curvy front, so I wanted a really soft finish to it. I chose purples. It just looked like it should be soft in the lavenders. When it's got those soft lines to it, I try to pull out those soft colors. So I taught a blended finish, but we did a little bit of modeling too, layering some colors, some blues and some purples in there. So I love how it turned out.
I think it looks gorgeous. I love your blend. It's absolutely beautiful. This is your famous blend that you did in here live on stage. So great work. I love it. And
It's been a great event. I really enjoyed getting to meet everybody, you and Carlos, and getting to meet everybody that was here visiting us. So it's been just a really wonderful weekend.
And last but not least, is that a saying? We have Heidi. She's still working on her beautiful piece. Hi, Heidi. Hi. Your piece is gorgeous. Can you tell us something more about it?
It's hand painted. It's taken a long time. I'm using lots of greens, chateau grey. I've custom mixed a mustard with white detailing and cocoa. And I'm just going in with a really fine detail brush and putting in all the details.
Guys, this is all hand painted. She's doing this by hand here. She started on stage. She's doing this in front of us. She's doing an amazing job. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm blown away. Good job. And it was so nice to meet you in person. Actually, I need to show you my own piece. How about that? So let's go. So actually, I have two pieces to do. I'm doing two pieces. One is almost done. Another is not almost done, but I'm going to show you one that is almost done. Actually, that piece is being photographed right now. Actually, is using as a stage for photographs. So this is how it looks. I did some dry brushing and some gold, and that is what I love, and that is what I did. And it's almost done, but I'm still working on the details, so I hope you guys can see it. Here is my piece. My second day, I did some erase stencil because there is a new product from Annie Sloan, so I'm going to show you the second piece I'm still working on. Danielle is chasing me all around all day long, telling me I have to finish my piece. So I'm really trying hard, guys. Da-da-da-da. Here is my second piece. I did Abyssum Blue and some raised stencil here. I'm still working on it. I still have to do some dry brushing. Annie Sloan is speaking, so I will see you later. Bye!
And he pointed out all the flies that were sticking to him.